Gates Open. They're off and racing. The favourite Sports Illustrated began fairly well, so did Phil's Game. But Rough Red is going to take up the early running now, and it dashes out by 2 lengths. Sports Illustrated, coming from the outside, is cruising up now to match strides with Rough Red. About 4 lengths further back then came Regent Skipper, followed then by Phil's Game. Royal Lady Jane is second last, and Alexis Magic back on the inside as last. Sports Illustrated in all haste heads towards the back now and draws out half a length, and it's going well. Sports Illustrated from Rough Red running second, about 5 lengths further back then to one moving around the outside as Regent Skipper. Then came Royal Lady Jane, who's improving, followed back on the inside by Phil's Game and Alexis Magic down at the tail of the field. The favourites running down towards the 600 metre mark. Sports Illustrated out by about 4 lengths now from Rough Red running second. Right round the outside is Royal Lady Jane starting to sprout wings and make ground, followed back on the inside by Phil's Game. Sports Illustrated in front, comes right back to the field now. It's only out by a length and a half from Royal Lady Jane, who's coming up on the outside. Rough Red still there on the inside. Around the turn they come, and Sports Illustrated in the lead, and going through on the inside is Rough Red, and now Royal Lady Jane puts in the strides down the outside, and along the rail comes Phil's Game with a good run. Phil's Game going up, but Royal Lady Jane's too good. Royal Lady Jane has won well. Phil's Game got up to run second, followed then by Alexis Magic, who came home late, followed by Rough Red.
At ayan po yung ating unofficial winner na si Royal Lady Jane together with Jockey J.B. Buste as they get back on scales. Ayan yung nakita natin